going on, everybody? In this video we're going to be reviewing the YAMATIC Big Sprinkler. Guys, this sprinkler is freaking sweet. It's on a nice little tripod, very easily adjustable. All you have to do is push and pull these to adjust how far that rotates. If you wanted to go completely in a circle, you can just remove this little clip and that will freely rotate. So we've got some bare areas here that we're going to be actually seeding here, so I'm just gonna show you exactly what we're gonna do as far as wetting this down. This is a huge property out at the in-laws house. They don't want to be running their entire irrigation system. Just turn on that sprinkler to keep that seed nice and moist so they're not wasting a lot of money, wasting a lot of water. It's a nice little impact sprinkler, really awesome design. So let's go ahead and flip this up and I'll show you that will just rotate around in a circle, complete 360 degrees. This thing is actually really sweet. Here we are about 40 feet away and it's gonna hit us. So guys, if you're in the market for a big impact sprinkler like this, check out YAMATIC. You can't go wrong with this.